Hi everyone, I'm Amy from Cauldron, and I think this is the first time I've ever been in front of the camera. And I'm doing it because I've got a big old box from World of Wool that I just cannot, well, I say I can't wait to look in. I have actually opened it to check that I've got everything here, but I've got a nice big order from World of Wool. I had a voucher from World of Wool that I really wanted to use to get a blending board, but they're out of stock and my voucher expires next month, so I didn't want to waste it. So I got a load of stuff. Look at all those goodies. There's so many really fun things in here that I just can't wait to dive in. I thought this might be the best way of going about it. So you're not staring at me the whole time, looking at all these gorgeous fibres. I've got some which are blended up colours like this and a lot that are white and natural colours, so I can dye them. I've got here natural flax stroke linen top. All of these fibres, as I said, are new to me. Oh, this one is interesting. It feels a bit coarse, so that should be fun to spin. We've got lotus fibre. We've got white Icelandic top. We've got white New Zealand top, which is another sheep. We've got bamboo, and this is so white. If we compare the two, just look at how white that bamboo is in comparison to the fleece. We've got here creme brulee, which is a blend from World of Wool. And this is 70% merino, 30% soybean. Now I've got soybean in here. Yep, here's the soybean. So you can sort of see the stretches of soybean going through this and the merino. That is really interesting. I'm looking forward to spinning that one up, and the soybean that I got. This is sea cell, which is actually made from seaweed, which I think's fascinating how they do this. I've got here ramie top, and ramie is a vegetable fibre made from nettles. So there we go. I have spun Himalayan nettle and dyed that in a different video. This feels quite hairy and similar to that. We've got here white Shetland and white Egyptian cotton. That feels like cotton wool. See, is it? And it comes apart really easily. That is going to be an interesting one for me, spinning wise. And hemp. They've got so many interesting ones. Mint, I have used this one before and I loved it, so I had to buy 100 grams of it. And this one is merino, tussar silk, natural flax and linen blend. You can see that the linen going throughout that. That's really interesting. I wonder how that will spin up. We've got here cream crunch, which is a blend of 70% merino, 30% tencel. I think it's pronounced tencel, and that's made from wood pulp. I do have some tencel in here somewhere. This is Weiss Natural White, and this is a blend of, where is it in my notes? I've got my notes here. Where is it? Oh yeah, here it is. 67% merino, 33% alpaca. And here's the tencel. I think it's pronounced tencel. I have to double check that. And we've got some white face woodlands. This is a really sort of bulky one. And some white finish top. What's this? Oh, this is super bright trilobal nylon top. And this was recommended to me to use to add a bit of sparkle into my fibres. So I would see how that's quite sparkly. And I think it does dye. So that's what was recommended to me instead of using Angelina, which I did also get. I got some blue and silver Angelina because I love sparkles. And this one is Lemon Drizzle. And now Lemon Drizzle is a blend of 70% blue-faced Leicester, 30% sea cell. And you can see a little bit of, you can see a little bit of that blend coming through. So that'll be really interesting to dye up as well. I'm really looking forward to all this. This is Kent Romney top. And we have here white viscose top made from wood pulp, which I thought was quite interesting. That would be nice to blend with some of the other fibres. And some pearl. I spun this up recently and I loved it, so I thought, yeah, I'm going to buy some more of that pearl now that I've got the chance. And here is some English top. It's a blend of different fibres, but it is superwash. And this is the only superwash fibre that I could find on the World of Wool website. So I had to get it. I really want to see how this compares with all of the other like this or any of the other fibres that I've got. And here is some grey UK alpaca, which is so soft. And the ones that are left now are just some really interesting blends. Oh, here we've got merino brown alpaca camel mulberry silk blend. And look at that. Looks like a mint humbug, I think. So that'll be interesting to see how that spins up. And then I've got these, which are just some beautiful rovings that I just can't wait to spin up. Now this one, Neon Tetra, is, I think this one is, this one's 100% bamboo. And then we've got Pina Colada, which is, where is it? On my notes. I should have made my notes a lot more clearer than this. 75% merino, 20% pineapple, 5% mulberry silk. Look at that. And we've got Sprinkly Winkly, which is 50% merino, 25% tencel, 12.5% sari silk, and 12.5% glitter. And look at that. Isn't that just a beautiful colour? I really hope I can spin it up and do this justice. And Once Upon a Time, which is, this one is 83% merino and 17% glitter. And I love it. I do love glitter. And the final one here is Twinkle Twinkle. And this one is 85% merino, 15% bamboo. So these coloured ones I probably won't use in any videos. They're just for me to spin up. But all of these other ones that I'm just adding back into my box, you will see these in future videos. I cannot wait to start dyeing all of these and spinning them. Thank you for watching my first unboxing video. I've never done these before because I've never had such a big order before. Was there anything in this box that you thought, oh, that sounds really interesting, I want to see how that dyes up and spins? If there is, leave a comment and I will use that one first. I've got such a big pile of stuff here that I just don't know what I want to use first. So if you leave a comment, I'll use your suggestion first. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. If I make any more big purchases like this, I will do more unboxing. But you guys need to buy some of my yarn for me to be able to order more yarn. Thank you for watching.